Okay. See, for me, hello everyone. For me, it has been an incredible journey in this healing through Kumbhak Pranayam. And I honestly want to share with all. I was the first person to jump in and say, yes, I will put in my testimonial. So I'm happy to see. My name is Krishnadas, and I have been battling with two issues, and it has been since long. One is osteoarthritis of the knees and a frozen shoulder. The frozen shoulder is also around 5 to 6 years old now. Now I'm telling you, regarding my knees, my orthopedic surgeon had already given me a word. He told me that within a year I'll have to go in for total knee replacement, which I did not want actually. And this, all in all, I can tell you I was in pain, knee pain, and this frozen shoulder. That is the time one of my friend had joined this program. So she suggested me, why don't you try this? And then I will specifically mention one of the mentor. Her name is Miss Neena Rai. I had a conversation with her, and then after that I joined this program. I'm amazed. Actually, I'm amazed because there is something magical and all. They say, yes, it's a magic. Because I'm telling you, I started this program. Those people who are suffering from knee pain would know that there is a stiffness around the knee, which hampers your movement. And then you need to take tablets for that. Within 3 to 4 days, the first thing I noticed was that the stiffness around the knee relaxed out, the pain went away. I used to wear knee braces because I go to work also. I used to wear knee braces. Now I'm telling you, it's almost a month I have not had any painkiller. A painkiller was one thing I used to take it daily. I'm off painkillers since last 1 month. Braces, I am out of knee brace. I'm not telling I'm cured totally, but I know I'm improving. And also there's a power within me which is telling me now the cure is in my hand. I'm feeling a bit confident about myself also, because that is giving me the necessary requirement to continue with this program. I'm not very old in this thing. I'm only 3 months old, 2.5 months old in this, but it has given me improvement. So, and also the frozen shoulder. Now, at least with support, I can move up to here. I could hardly lift up to here. This movement I have had. So this much improvement is there. I am on the journey of improvement. So I have come specifically to tell you, give it a try. I urge you, give it a try. Take a chance. Give it a try. Anyway, it is a holistic approach. And also it has given me a mental comfort. It has improved my sleep pattern. It has improved my digestion. These are all side benefits which I'm telling. It has improved my digestion. My motions are very clear. So these are the side benefits of mental and physical, a well-being, a feeling of well-being. I'm grateful to the mentors here, especially Meera was my mentor. I'm grateful to her also. I'm grateful to this Havisa healing also. I wouldn't take much time. Thank you so much.